How to change Trust Wallet recovery phrase. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Trust Wallet application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, in order to change Trust Wallet recovery phrase, tap on the settings option on the top left of your screen and further tap on the wallets option located at the bottom part of the screen. Now, open the wallet of your choice by tapping on the icon or vertical ellipsis beside it. Continue by tapping on the wallet's Show Recovery Phrase button. Trust Wallet may ask you to authenticate your request, so follow as instructed. The application will further display your recovery phrase as soon as you tap on it. Just copy or scan the QR code and make sure to save it. Keep it somewhere safe and ensure not to lose it. So, this is how you can change Trust Wallet recovery phrase. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.